how to fix Lois app issue. To fix Lois or to fix the app, what you could do is, first thing first, you just want to make sure to go ahead and check your internet. So open up settings on your device, go to network and internet from the list, select internet from the sections. After which, you want to make sure to go ahead and launch open the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you're connected to. You could refresh, you could disconnect, and you could switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data as well. After which, if you're using any sort of VPN or extensions, you might also want to disable that too. And here you could also go to the app section from your on your device. So locate Lois from the list and go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well. Once you've done that, exit out of this page, open up your app store, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and type in Lois and make sure that you've updated the app as well. Once you've done all these steps, if nothing works out, hold on to your side button, restart your device at the very same time, reinstall the Lois app, and that is definitely going to help you fix. In many cases, there might be a server outage as well, so you might have to wait for it too. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.